and improved iHeartRadio app and set your first preset. Plus, discover the new live radio dial, scan lyrics, podcasts, playlists, and your favorite artist radio.
Open the app and everything's right there. I love it.
The new and improved iHeartRadio app. It's everything you love about your car radio in the palm of your hand.
Go get it.
It's Brian, and time is of the essence with COVID-19. Prescription oral treatment must be taken within the first 5 days of symptoms. If you have a high risk factor, ask your doctor if treatment is right for you. Learn more at covid19.com, sponsored by Pfizer.
WBC Boston, WXTS-FM, HD2, Bedford, an iHeart radio station. This is WBC, Boston's news radio, redefining local news.
Sunny and cold. It's only 12 degrees in Boston.